Hello all. Use your hand wave. Sorry, I had to just wrestle with a mosquito then. Another beautiful day in Adelaide. We are enjoying some cooler weather, 20 degrees cooler. It's been roughly about 22, 23 degrees in the last couple of days. So, of course, I've got another pot of potatoes, supposedly. This one has a very big stalk on it. It's just about died back. It's got some growth on it, but it's been in the pot for 5 months now, and I'm going to try. We've got 3 days worth of 37-degree heat next week, so I'm going to try and harvest this. So you can tell it's been in the pot for a long time because of the cobwebs. Lots of cobwebs. I've been seeing the slug marks going to and from the pots, so I'm a bit concerned actually about as to whether A, I've got anything, and whether B, something's been eating them. So I thought I might do this with you all now. Yes, I am absolutely hopeless in waiting for the stalks to die back completely. But I don't think it's going to go any further. I've been digging around and I can't feel anything, so that's another concern as well. So all these concerns are adding up. So what we're going to do is we're going to tip somehow. Feels heavy. Just before I reveal, I've got some old soil mixed in with some chicken manure here, and we've got council workers doing the lawns out the front, so it's been noisy all morning, so please excuse that. It is also the day before payday, and I need some spuds for tea because I'm sick of living on pasta, I can tell you that much. And again, this pot does not look promising. So, having said that, a spud. That's the one I saw. Oh, this mosquito. Go away. Well, I spoke too soon. That, my friends, is the biggest I have grown so far in the past year. I'm very happy with that. That's almost baking size. Oh, there's tonight's tea. 3. And that looks like that's it for that. Is there any more? Ugh. Ew. This mosquito will go away. Oh, bugger off. Ah, another potato. Okay. I think that's a tiny little one. Well, despite all my failures this year, I'm going to get bitten by this mosquito. I think it's all the soil. Despite my failures this year, I'm pretty impressed with just that lot there. Just from that pot, I didn't think I was going to get anything, but look at the size of that one. That is what I want. So I've got one more. Ha! Got you, you little mosquito shit. I've got one more pot left. So I think the secret is to leave it as long as possible. I was pretty good in making sure that was 5 months. There's more than one mosquito around here. This is getting a bit ridiculous. And the fact that I can actually grow potatoes is a miracle. I don't know what these little clumps of potatoes are. They're a bit weird, these things. I am getting bitten like the snow tomorrow. Yeah, so I have one more potato pot here. I'm going to make up some new ones. And I think I should let that go a little bit longer because that's got a lot more greenage in it. This was the one that was actually it was actually attacked by the green caterpillars. Now I've just set up this one, so there's nothing much in there at the moment. And I've still got sweet potatoes going. I learnt online that you can graft sweet potatoes and from the vines, so I'm going to try and grow sweet potatoes in this patch. I've still got potatoes in that little area there, but they're not doing terribly well. I'm not sure whether to mulch that garden or not. My spinach is looking pretty pitiful. My budgie is just being a pain in the ass. So from one little pot I've got 4 sides, and that's just enough for tea tonight. That I didn't have to pay for, so I'm curious to know as to how they will taste. And I'm going to reuse this soil, and I know you shouldn't reuse soil from your potato harvest to plant more potatoes in. You should rotate your soil, but I'm low on money, I'm broke, bills, etc. So I'm going to have to reuse this soil. The only other thing I could do is put it in my lemon tree or top up my garden bed, which is looking very sorry for itself at the moment. But that's a lot of work. And there's potatoes in that bed as well, so what do you do? Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. I've got to wash up and I've just got bitten again, so I will catch up with you later. Thank you. Bye.